So, hi everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and welcome back to my channel Engineers Coding Hub. So in this video we will discuss about one good opportunity, for students and freshers which are finding the job in the field of software development. So Seagate is currently hiring for internship role. So you can come here here Seagate career page and you can read this and apply it. So it's a very good company if you want to start your career within software development field. So you can come here and apply it. This is currently hiring for internship role, and whenever you apply, please make sure you read this carefully. Key what they are actually looking for, and you can match your skills, and based on it you can apply it. So अगर अपन यहाँ पे आएंगे, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि इन्होंने बताया कि they required C++ and Python. And design and implement CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins. So you have to have basic knowledge about this. And after that, object-oriented programming. I've already told you many times, if you are preparing for a technical round or a coding round, then this is the most important thing. Oops. So ये आपको आना ही चाहिए. So I have also created the complete playlist for Oops for interview. So you can follow that. You can get the link in the description box. And they also mention the programming languages like C++, Python. And like Linux का आपको knowledge होना चाहिए. So this is the basic knowledge, like GitHub का knowledge होना चाहिए. So they are required for these things. So अगर आपके resume में ये चीज mention नहीं है तो please mention it, and after that you can apply it. This will increase your chance to get shortlisted. okay Come here and apply button. तो सबसे पहले अप्लाई आप कर सकते हो if you are in third year or fourth year students. So you can apply this role. Because this is just an internship, and after that if your performance is good, then they will give the pre-placement offer as well. So you can come here and apply it. And this is a very good opportunity for students. So I have get this hiring detail through one my resource. So this is 100% genuine, and you can go with Seagate. Seagate is the company name which are currently hiring for intensive role in a software development. So you can come in Seagate career page and you can apply it here. So this is all about this internship opportunity. If you are interested, then you can apply it. और आपको अगर ऐसी इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी और हायरिंग डिटेल्स के बारे में जानना है तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियोस.